Welcome to Total Truck Centers, the program designed to help local resellers and installers of aftermarket accessories grow their businesses.
These resources and services are made possible by a partnership of AAM member warehouse distributors and over 100 supplier partners.
And this partnership is committed to helping local brick and mortar shops just like you.
Let's take a look at a few of the tools.
With On the Map, you can get listed on manufacturers' dealer locators. It's simple. Just check the brands that you actively sell, then we'll send your information to those suppliers, many of which will put you on their dealer locator list. When using On the Map, consumers browsing on brand sites can find your business easier. And on top of that, it can also help your search engine rankings.
Earn cash back with Pro Rebates by purchasing the industry's best products. This exclusive program offers a rotating selection of brands and products that qualify you to receive cash back rebates.
When you become one of our authorized resellers, you're automatically enrolled in the Keys to Ride sweepstakes. Your purchases from sweepstakes sponsored brands automatically enter you into a drawing for a custom vehicle. 6 finalists will go to SEMA to participate in the finale, where one lucky winner will walk away with a new ride.
We don't have to tell you that social media is a great way to grow your business, but creating content about the products that you sell and the services that you offer is time-consuming and not to mention a pain. ReadyPost is a library of ready-made content for you to use on various social media platforms, hashtags included. Lots of shops use this free tool every week.
Take your showroom or customer waiting area to the next level with In-Store TV. This service is a channel that you can add on any Roku-enabled television or device. The Total Truck Centers In-Store channel provides a constant stream of engaging and informative product features that helps your customer discover new products, all at no cost to you.
A website is the most important marketing tool for your business. Aftermarket websites can build your shop's website for the unique needs of our industry. It is used by more shops than any other for a reason. Visit aftermarketwebsites.com for more information and to schedule a demo.
So what are you waiting for? Go to totaltruckcenters.com/sign up, and in no time you'll have your login and access to all of these tools.
And remember, most of these tools are free to use. Become a Total Truck Centers authorized reseller today and grow your business with our proven marketing tools.